Hello everyone, and we are again here with the update about the NATA entrance admit card. So we have lot of inquiries called from the students, so we thought why not make a video and update so that everyone will get benefit out of this. So guys, there is a update on the website. You will see when you will go to nata.in on the website, you will see one new update. There you will see it is mentioned there admit card has been made live for first NATA test, but many of students have already reported they are unable to download the admit card. So after seeing the notification, when they try to log into their own account, they could not download now. But few students, we are not confirming this, but few students, very few, have also said that they can download. So I don't know what is this a technical reason, but what we would advise you should not get panic. Now you can see on the screen also admit card has been made live for the first NATA test. So that means already they are working. So maybe some students are able to see. In case if you are unable to see your admit card, you should not panic, just wait for some time. This means very soon you all will see your admit card and you can download. Now what is important is you should take printout, right? You all should take printout, and candidates are suggested to carefully check the detail mentioned in the NATA hall ticket, such as name, photograph, signature, attempt, application number, gender, and more. In case of any detail is missing and you think like this is not correct in the admit card, the authorities shall be connected immediately at the NATA help desk 2022@gmail.com or 080-455-49467. So this is the NATA help desk number. So you can connect on this number also. Alright, so only candidate who have successfully completed their registration will be able to download NATA 2020 hall ticket. The admit card of NATA 2020 will include detail like personal details, NATA exam date and time, exam center detail, and exam day guidelines. Candidates are advised to carefully read and adhere to the guideline mentioned in the admit card. Alright, so these are everybody, you all will be able to download your admit card, nothing to worry. So it's already there now on the website also, notification is there. This was not there in the old, when like in the afternoon this was not there, so that also we have shared. So alright guys, whenever we will have next update, we will be making another video and we will be posting on YouTube. Alright, so stay safe and keep focus on your preparation. We will be coming up with different live test series, alright, and we will be also adding on the Ignite India app. You can download those and you can get access. If you want to prepare, you can connect us. Alright, you can connect us so that you can get very good marks in the NATA 2022. All the best.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCEED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.